Hey everyone, welcome back to Hungry Republic, where we make eating healthy simple, delicious, and fun.
Today, I'm showing you my top 1 healthy snack recipe. It's crunchy, satisfying, and ready in under 10 minutes.
This snack is protein-packed, fiber-rich, and has that perfect balance of sweet, salty, and creamy.
And here's the best part. No oven, no fancy tools, and it tastes like something straight out of a cafe menu.
Let's jump right in. I promise you'll be obsessed with this one.
Here's what you'll need for today's recipe.
Start by slicing your apple into thin and spread a thin layer of peanut butter on each slice. Don't overdo it.
Just enough to coat the surface. This combo gives you healthy fats, fiber, and a dose of protein, the perfect trio for lasting energy.
Now for the fun part, the toppings. Sprinkle granola for that crunchy texture, chia seeds for a nutrition boost,
and if you want something sweet, add a drizzle of honey or a few dark chocolate chips.
This looks so simple, but trust me, it tastes amazing.
Wow. Crispy apple, creamy peanut butter, sweet honey, and that crunch. This is snack perfection.
You can prep these ahead for work, school, or after your workout. They stay fresh and super satisfying.
If you're looking for a quick and healthy snack that hits the spot, this is the one. Give this recipe a try and tell me in the comments what toppings you'd add. Maybe almond butter, coconut flakes, or cinnamon. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more easy, healthy recipes like this one.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.